Momishna, you see mommy? From Robin sick 2 second time in the night. Call you.
Call man.
Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Yeah, my people, Amazon Prayer, welcome back to the channel. You know everything go.
Welcome back to another Vlogmas.
Yes, my people. So you know, so I get a call yesterday. I saw my little brother in the hospital. My mother called me and tell me that. I saw my little brother in the hospital. Can't tell how many the way I come and take away them time there. To go back to town.
Yeah.
But try to reach down back from town last night to come to the hospital and see what I go on and hear what I go on. He called my mother and get her. My mother said she and I go home. I was close to the hospital last night, you know. Call her and get her up on the phone. And say she had to go home. Call her back this morning. So my little brother get discharged out of the hospital.
Yeah.
So I go up there right now to go pick him up and carry him home. To my mother. Yeah. So up at the hospital I head for right now. So now the hospital I head for.
Do you see us in our t-shirts? Datmisehtv Jamaica.
That me?
Yeah, we're on a pickup, going to Montego Bay to do a pickup, and then from Montego Bay we're going to Kingston. So we've got a bit of a long day today. So yeah, on the way to my bay working today.
People, there's everything going on.
Sorry about the glare, people. The sun is terrible, but yes, we're at the hospital.
Actually, yeah.
Actually at the hospital, going to pick up
Robbie.
Outlaw's brother.
Yeah. So we're going up in the hospital.
The Senan's Bay Hospital, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, at the hospital. Your eyes are good. Where can you see them? Oh my gosh, your thing is good because I couldn't see. Where are they?
Man, it's sticky. I'll pick up my patient right there, sir. Bless you.
Oh, okay.
Robin. You know him out of that? You know him out? Him cooking soup for you. Robin, they will just take him out of the hospital and can come. See him there? Up and ready. See there? See Christopher there now. Cooking food ready. Put them for them until him come. People, you give thanks to life.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just bring him home all ago.
Okay, thank you, my brother.
Yesterday. They stay over one night and he come out and there now. So, he come and get some nice soup. He drink real soup. His next brother, bigger brother cook some soup, put on for him. Christopher, one name Billy. Yeah. Groundsman that, he cover the thing. So, you know, I don't have to play a role, you know. We have to do something. So, we have to do what we have to do. I saw that's something they go. Give thanks to life. And the same thing. So, leave mommy down at the hospital now and wait for the medication because she says it don't take the time. So she don't wait for the medication because we carry them to you. I can come in and get some rest, get some soup and all these things. So mommy will cover the medication all for a while. Still down there. God bless the old lady. 110% blessings to the old lady.
She's coming for the smoker.
Well,
All cure.
where do you that? What kind of thing that, Billy? You put it up, man. Man, like you know, suppose I get the real thing around, man. Home run. How about that? You can pick up already?
No, sir. I party grow.
A party grow that? Party hard, there's a job we out there, you know.
That me tell you.
Oh, that's not easy, you know.
Party grow.
You can't pull leaf off right and go through. So you think, man?
Why?
But there no be this.
You miss me no, man. I tell my mommy not hear me, you know.
Right.
Mommy, she not. You see, mommy? If I'm Robin sick, second time in the night, call you.
Call her, man. Because when she called me yesterday, I have mobile, I going on, and if I mobile, I told her.
I'll be going to tell mommy if you call you earlier. You know, yeah.
Give me a shout, my mommy, if you call me for.
You know, yeah, let me tell you. After I jam, no, I'm call you.
You don't do that.
That's you do.
That's
I
not
tell
do.
you, if you call you from the night, Robin sick, call you.
Sure, man.
Look, people can call you.
Give me a shout, man.
Make you tell you what to do.
Yeah, man. So you think, man?
You want to tell me what to do?
Tell mommy go on, man. Mommy.
No, man,
You have to take care of mommy, man. You need mommy go on. Be careful and that, you know. Good old mommy, you know.
I'm not so many kids.
Good old kitchen there. Oh, pick up something for him.
Give me my boss here.
Maybe we can go and brush yes, man. I'm fine, look after that. Yeah, man, good luck, I find that.
I'm boss here, man. Go up in your beef market, tap that's all.
Oh, that's okay.
Oh. So I have to go find him.
We're going to jump back around some, man, because we're going to go back to.
No better so there.
Let's see if we can get a few stickers. So you go see him
You
here.
know, so them rapid loads who come and want soup and put on.
Mix one soup, please.
One piece of cow skin.
Okay, the real old soup, man.
One Irish, one cocoa,
Yeah.
one sweet potato,
Yeah.
piece of pumpkin.
Yeah.
Jesus.
No, sir. You do it, man. You do it, man. Yeah, man. Nothing wrong with that. With
I
you.
see, timing, you know.
Yeah, right away. Down. Just come get him hot soup.
Not that. Timing, I told me work about timing.
Man, they got timing, you know.
Yeah.
I them done cooking soup, man. Right, man, arriving.
You know.
Yes.
Then soon for what the so I'm going to wait till him.
Yeah, I'm your business, brother. You name your name. Grassroots with the people, them. See, man, they help him with Robin, put him in the car and such. Grassroots, them, man. If him get the right cross, man, oh, I get, man, I get that, son. When grassroots, man, I get him get there. I've been looking shop out the road there. So I come here and make sure I spend that thing in place. Yeah, spend back with him. Yeah, because him did the feeding right now.
Yeah.
You know, around there. So that's the thing, go. When I watch there, that's how we grow. We never drop it. See him tell about it there. We know they are them there. Change the jump round. Same way. Feed the people not there, we there. Jump round. That's how it go. Yeah, man, everything fit, man, not job. So we do the thing. Yeah, so we live, so we grow. We're gonna drop that. Yeah, man. Hold the field. Yeah, man. Good place. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, my brother that, you know. Just pick him up from the hospital. Bring him home. We're drinking soup now. Yes, you know, walk up. Mom, Leon. You know everything, go?
Yeah, man.
What you do, what you do?
So now one good mother.
I was
Best mother in retirement.
But-
My mother always say number 3 now number 2, number 1.
That's true, man. Dragon.
Number 1 mother you have.
A real thing you talk,
Yeah,
man.
man, number 1.
But-
Yeah, man.
Can't drop it, man.
Can't drop it.
Never drop that,
I
then.
mean, she they do no others mother in retirement now. Me can't tell you that family live here.
Take care of yourself, Leon.
Yeah, man. And you take care also and safe journey on the road.
Man, I'm
Thank
proud,
you.
Leon.
Yeah, man.
Give
All
time.
right, bye.
Thank you. Take care.
Take care of yourself, Leon. God be the glory. Yeah. Think them long life and happy living. Yeah, man. It's a mommy gate. Yes. Yes. A little thing happened to Robin over there. My neighbor right there, sir. From Drumfield where I come from. I just run over the right away and Robin have here. With Christopher.
Yeah.
Good like that. Yeah, my people. If I can, yeah. If you come do something with him, I don't know yet, but Mama said if you come do something around
You did say that, didn't you?
Yes.
After
Look,
this
me,
one.
I'm telling about that, I'm telling them, yeah, bro.
Yeah.
We have something I plan for it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have put it in place. Something along the way. You know everything, go. But see there, right from the front. Everything, man. Breadfruit tree, pear tree, ackee tree.
Fruitful.
Mango tree. Around there.
Square. So we're in the square. Christmas tree.
Right now, lights are blinking for it, you know.
Yeah.
The light come out for that.
Oh,
Yeah. So,
Christmas tree.
yes, see. Right, that's everything now. They come on to Christmas, man. So we'll start from there. We good? We good, Rona? Sweetness.
So yes, people, we are in retirement in Brownstown, as you have seen. Outlaw's just going to go and speak to, you know, once he comes up here, he's going to see all of his old school friends, all of his old mates, so he's going to speak to them. So going back down now.
Yeah, my people.
Just had a tour with the people then.
Yeah, because then two great things down there. You know, we think we can't left the root of the something. The root of the root. So you know what we think about. The baddest thing right there.
That me down here, you know.
That
To the kids, them.
that's something.
Oh,
Are you do that?
Yeah.
okay.
Christopher.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I teach me doing it.
Yeah, man.
Put up in November the 1st.
Yeah.
Maybe,
November, first of November.
And take it down January last.
Yeah. I used to think about even, you know, man.
January last. Come on.
Yeah, man, so, man. You put it up November 1st and take it down January last.
yeah.
The youth
stop
them
for a
that.
good while, yeah.
I can't buy all of them a beer.
Respect that man, that. You understand
Or
that?
Dali.
Still is up. Yes, I understand that. You play that role. Everybody come out, come see that. Young and old.
Everywhere.
Hey, man. You hear me, people? Be the that. Well, I elder them, I think about the youth them, do something wrong them. Yeah, and play back a role for the youth them.
Yeah, but it's great.
So, you understand? You hear that something there? Yeah, pussy for that. Yeah. So, we have to do for each other, you know. Everything go. We'll look around or something there.
Brotherly love.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, my people. I leave back from down at the house there, on a yard. I'm drop off the youth there a while ago and things, so.
Back in
You know everything go, they're back in around son now and I go back down there now. Now we place now. So you know everything go, people. I try everything there for do what we have to do, you know. Yeah. So I say thing go. 4 away, 1 day far, but 3 not too far. So at the same time now I have to go pick him up from the hospital and bring him home.
My brother, yeah.
Yeah, my mother still in the hospital down there waiting for the medication for him.
Yeah.
So I have to just do something and left her money give mommy. Mommy go and do what she have to do. Carry up the youth. By the time I reach up, next brother, BD, whenever just not too long and I carry with me. I him up there cook some soup, you know. Put on some soup. As I reach him can get a nice bowl of soup.
Yeah.
I saw the brother them around. So each of you try to play a little role in the
Yeah.
people. Yeah. So him up there cook for them until them come back from here. So and me have to try him up. After my little thing. As I'm done till some baby I come from yesterday. Go to town and come back. And the whole works.
Yeah.
So, you know, me have to play a little role. What we have to do? You have to do, man. Mama that you know. And the one is sickly, you know, so you have to do what you have to do. Yeah. 1 day far, 3 days so. Do what you have to do. I make the thing roll. So you must say people. Remember, you know, like, share and subscribe, you know. And watch a piece of the art because, you know, everything go. Give thanks to that. So, I'm an Azan proud, me say. Give thanks to life.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.